This is an exciting time in the energy industry.
The world is changing around us, and we have to adapt. We have to know how to deploy technology.
It is imperative that we think about new technologies and begin the adoption of those new technologies.
What we've done in the past and what we'll do in the future is talk to customers through focus groups and surveys and to get their opinions about certain technologies and certain features that they feel are important.
It's important for us to meet customer needs. If customers are telling us that they would like certain products and services, we think it is our obligation to see what we can do to provide those for the customers.
For example, when we designed our community solar program, we spent a lot of time talking to customers. We need to make sure that we're adapting and we're adopting the technologies that they want.
Knowing customers would like to do this, we developed a model, and it's a pretty innovative model, both for the state of Wisconsin and for the country.
Our community solar program is as close to trying to give the customer the same experience they'd have if they put solar on their home without them having to put it on their home.
Customers can sign up for a portion of their power coming from a community solar array. They buy a share of the power created from that project.
It's leveraging the value of the grid. We're using the electricity grid to deliver the power from the project in Middleton to each individual customer's home.
They can get a portion of their energy from a solar array. It is something that we see that customers want, so the more we can work with customers on projects like community solar, they move us toward meeting our goals on carbon and our goals on renewables.
New, smarter technology will help customers work with MG&E to manage our energy use as a community.
We have new technologies like smart thermostats. If the customer decides, they can allow the utility to send signals to your thermostat at times when the demand for power is at its highest, like on a really hot day.
We can have that thermostat rise during the day if nobody's home, let it go up a few degrees, and if everybody in town does that, it has a huge effect on our system.
And that is just one strategy to manage that maximum or peak usage.
MG&E has like big peaks in their demand. So if we can get that peak to be less, then they don't have to build new things to manage that highest load.
If we can find a way to control that peak, we don't have to build as many power plants.
As the appliances become smart and as we have more and more two-way communication available between the utility company and the customer, there's a lot more opportunity to be kind of going back and forth and really trying to manage that demand.
Long term, you help us keep our costs down, which reduce costs for everybody.
It does benefit everyone to use the grid more lightly.
A priority for the Energy 2030 framework is to find programs and services that benefit everyone.
We have to design and we have to deliver programs that the customers value.
The information we get from the customer about what's acceptable to them and what they may be willing to do is very important. We then try to figure out the sort of technical solution. We can find the ways that what an individual customer may want and be interested in can help us serve all customers.
Citizens need to be involved because that shows that they do care, they do want different products and services, they are interested, and they are willing to help MG&E through this change.
We're there to make sure that the lights come on when you need them, but if you have ideas on how we should be getting that in more innovative, more efficient, more environmentally friendly ways, then we want to hear from you.
We definitely need our customers' help to reach our goals.
We're all part of this community, and to be successful, we all have to participate. This is an example of the power of working together. By working with customers, we provide customers what they want, but we also move toward meeting our goals under our Energy 2030 framework.